Hello everybody, this is Tommy Demos. I will be your instructor for this course, and I just wanted to give you a brief introduction to what we're going to be doing with Brain Buffet Premiere Pro Level 2. This course is made up of several modules, and each of those modules has video tutorials. The video tutorials are a screen recording of me working in the software. It's really important that you watch the video tutorials and follow along in the Premiere Pro software as you go. Each of the modules that you'll be experiencing is based on the type of work that we would often see as freelance editors or working for a post house. So you're going to get your hands on the software and you're going to learn skills and techniques that are going to make you better prepared to join the post-production workforce using Adobe Premiere Pro.